Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Swing Wing Sing here today with another new unboxing. Today we have for you this. That's the Frog 1/72nd scale English Electric Canberra. This is one of the very old kits. So basically I jumped onto the ScaleMates site to check the vintage of this kit. And as I logged in, I found that the kit was first tooled back in 1973. So that's much before even I was born. And over the years, it's just had various other brands reboxing the kit. Only once Revell included a few new decals, and that has continued ever since. You can actually build two versions out of this kit. So it says you've got a B1 Mark 8 or a B1 Mark 12 version. Let's quickly have a look at the kit box. So it says Frog 1/72nd scale International Assembly Kit. What does that mean? Does it mean am I going to a different country to assemble this? No. But anyway, I'm guessing it means that it's got certain decals of different countries. Okay, so the box art here with the standard British camouflaged Canberra Mark 8 in the Royal Air Force roundels and fin flash out here, W365 paint scheme. Nice looking Canberra. It says so as I said, two versions can be built out of it, the B1 Mark 8 or the B1 Mark 12. I'll be going with the B1 Mark 8. It probably has parts for both versions. So it says including Frog special features. Frog special features. Okay, so are they saying it has a longer tongue? Well, we don't know. All right, so turning around to the longer edge of the box, it says this kit contains choice of transfers to build either Sete Makete, Cortian. Oh, okay. The kit contains choice of transfers to build either ... and it means instead of going next line here, this is what you need to read. So either ... B1 Mark 8 number 88 Squadron RAF Wildernath, Germany 1960, or ... B1 Mark 12 number 12 Squadron South African Air Force Waterkloof 1969. Waterkloof. Never heard the name of that place. Interesting to research what Waterkloof is, but anyway, that's for a different time. And turning around to the back of the box, that's where you find the paint guide. So it says Frog color painting guide. Well, I'm sure that the frogs don't look like that, but yes, this camouflage kind of makes it look like a frog indeed. However, this is a Canberra. So it's got this standard British camo with the black underside, and then it's got the South African silver paint scheme. It says silver natural metal overall, so that paint scheme. The smaller edge has the same box art as you have right here up on the front. Okay, and turning around to the other longer edge. Wow. Britain, Swiss, or French, I don't know, German, Finnish, oh that is German, Italian, makes it seem, oh this is Swedish, I know that's Swedish, this is Finnish, that's German, a few other countries. Now, and that's what confused me. I thought it's got decals for all these countries, and that would have really made this a very interesting kit. But look what it says. Special features of this kit include 59 parts. So is 59 parts the special feature? Decal sheet containing two separate markings. Okay, so two separate markings. I'm sure, as we've already seen the back of the box, it's got the British and the South African Air Force markings. Undercarriage up or down, alternative loads. Alternative loads, okay. I did not think the Canberras have anything else except drop tanks on the or bombs on the outer hard points. But anyway, we'll see the alternative loads. And then you've got some more the similar kind of information in many other languages. And you've got 3, 6, 8, 10, 13, 14 different languages, as if I'm going to read all of them. So that's the exterior of the box. Let's open it up and see the contents inside. And that is how the box opens. It's still tied up with its piece of tape, so I'll just remove that, put it aside, and there we go. So the first thing we are greeted with is the fuselage halves. You can see some panel line detailing present there, but seems to be almost like non-existent. But anyway, the Canberra is a pretty smooth aircraft. Even if you look at pictures, you don't really see all those panels exposed on a Canberra, so it's pretty smooth out here. So those are the two fuselage halves, so I'll put them to the side. We then have the instruction sheet. All right, one page, simple steps of assembly. Oh, the assembly steps shows that it does have a pilot as well. That's nice of them to give us a pilot figure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 steps in total. The Canberra doesn't have too many external stores except the drop tank, so weapons is not a problem at all. And there we have it. So just a single piece of instruction sheet. Put that to the side. Next sprue, it's got the wing and one horizontal stabilizer, the gear bay doors, a weird looking seat, and next sprue. So that's the canopy. Clear enough, fair enough. I give it the points. Little dirty, but I'll wash it and give it a polish with Tamiya polishing compound. I think now you can see it much more clearly. So slightly dirtied up, but it's just probably dust, I guess. Can be wiped off. Yeah, it's coming off with the finger itself, so it's just a little dusty. So anyway, we've got the second or the third sprue with the other wing half. We've got the landing gears, we've got the drop tanks, the engines, and seems to be the central part of the fuselage. Not sure, but we'll figure that out. And then the next sprue with another half, and then we have the last sprue with the two horizontal stabilizers. All right, and the last thing inside the box is the rather yellowed decal sheet. You can see the WT365, the white ones, the RAF roundels, and the South African markings. Of course, it is yellowed down over with time, but since I will be building an Indian Air Force Canberra, and you'd be surprised to know that India used about 107 Canberras, and 54 of those Canberras were B1 Mark 8s. So I am not going to use this decal sheet, maybe for a different time, or just probably throw it away because it's completely yellowed and of no use to me. So that's the kit, and I am going to start off with the build. So stay tuned for the build video coming shortly after this. Thank you very much for watching. See you again later. Bye bye. Take care.